notice the AC is on. It's very hot, and we have to make do what we have, and I'm not. I can't be putting the face. Yeah, so I'm gonna be showing you guys all my makeup from HomeSense. HomeSense is now open, but we are outside in Ontario. So the first thing we got this nice. I feel like it's like it's a fried pan, but you can also use it in the oven, right? Rimike was not very happy with getting it for some reason. I thought it was really nice. I think it's a really nice pan.
I wanted everything stainless steel. I didn't
but I think
want
it's very, very useful.
but then it also has those dots in it that
I think the borders, can you zoom into it? He thinks the body is gonna come out
in my food. Those dots will come out in my food.
Clown, this is what HomeSense was $14 actually, and it's very sturdy and heavy. It's gonna, I think it is very, very durable. That's one. We got this really nice chopping board, very nice and concise from HomeSense. How much was it? Like $9?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then it has like these things for grip at the back, which is really good, so it does not move. I guess it's not good for my back. It's really good. It's better than HomeSense, like $9. You guys, if you don't know me, I love HomeSense. That's my story. I have to like tell you like HomeSense gets the deals from there. Everything aesthetic in this house is basically cream, beige, and black, right?
And white.
And white. It's very, very minimal, very, very airy. So we got this nice throw for her. It's a really nice throw. It's very fluffy as well. Definitely, because she has like white sheets. I'll show you that in the Ikea bag of things we bought, but this is from HomeSense right now. So really nice throw, really comfortable. Oof, locks, love the locks, babe. Anyways, this is what we got. Let me know if she kills me. Next thing, obviously we like our scents as well. We want our house to smell good, so we got this nice sand. What's the actual name?
Is this an F or something?
Sand and fog mirror. Oh my god, this is the aesthetic for me. It's really cute.
We just got it because we wanted to take the new house smell away.
Yeah.
Because I'm still expecting some.
And it smells really good as well. Obviously, you can't see it on camera, but it smells really good. I like the color. I like the shade. This was my own. Like I was like, I like the shade green. It's cute, sure. Yeah. That's all we got from HomeSense. So right now I'm gonna go to what we got from dollarama. Alright, yeah. So you guys, I'm gonna show you guys the kitchen stuff we got from Ikea first. Because I have kitchen and we have bath and room stuff. So right now, what I'm gonna be showing you guys is this pot. It's called
Sensual.
Sensual. I can't pronounce it, but I'll put the name in the description box below. Rimike wanted like stainless steel pot, so we got that for the queen. Yeah, it's this one. This is good. Anyway, I'm gonna put this down. Yeah, so these are the pots. It's pretty steady. Like I like it. It's big enough, but people like to cook in bulk as well. So good for her. This is the cover of the pot. It has this nice thing that you can see through when it's boiling. Cute. Dainty. Then we have the second pot too as well. It's really nice, nice rice, nice beans, mini stuff, you know. How much are the pots, okay? This one was like 40 something, right?
One was like 44, one was like 49 or 50. I don't know, one of them.
Anyway, so I'll put everything in the description box and the prices and stuff. And then the next thing I'm gonna be showing you guys is this like chopping board. It's pretty heavy. So this is a wooden one. I don't really care to get wooden one and one.
I don't see the necessity.
And one grip one I showed you before because I feel like you guys, I'm a culinary today and aquaculture is very real. You don't want to contaminate your food. One for vegetable, one for meat. Period. Yeah, this is a pretty big one shot. It's nice, but it's good. Yeah, that's the next thing. How much is this for?
$12.
$12. Yeah.
Let me be adding in 0.99, so that's like 13. I said 13. $13.
You guys are clever, guys. So next thing I'm gonna be showing you guys is this nice place. You guys, this place, my mom loves them. She got to go to Nigeria. So this is bought like 3 for nice small bowls. How much did one cost? 99 cents, right?
99 cents.
And it's nice. Like so meant to replace. This is it.
We're on a budget, please.
Yes, if you're on a budget and everything, and you still want to be nice and it looks really nice and dainty. we got this like nice flat bowls as well for the same price, 99 cents for each. So we got 2 of these right here, 3 of the mini bowls. Zoom into it for me again, thank you. And then we also got 3 flat plates. Really cute for your nice meals that you
I
need
don't
to
really
have.
use flat plates,
But anyways, I feel like you're an adult, you need to act accordingly.
but I don't need to act.
Anyways, next thing we got was this knife set from Ikea.
This was
3 in a
pretty
set.
cheap, like $3.
Yeah, I don't know how if it's gonna work, but I think it's gonna work for now. Yeah.
It's going to work well, please. Leave my knife.
Anyways, you
That's
guys,
like our
the
sharp
next
things.
thing I'm going to talk about are these wine glasses. So there are 6 in a pack. I'm not going to show 2 because I don't want to show 6. It doesn't make sense. Yeah, so there are 6 in a pack. They're really cute, and you know, for your wine, red wine glasses. Rimike is the kind of person that will drink wine in red cup, which is very, very ghetto to me. You need to be
I don't see the need for the wine glasses.
presentable, okay? You cannot be drinking wine glass anymore.
It is what it is.
It is what it is.
That,
Anyways, yeah, so we got them. It's cute. And it was for $19, right, for the 6 in a pack.
yeah.
$19. And then I wanted these glasses for our drinking water. It's hot and cold, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
that's
So
what- and
we
it's
were
just 99 cents.
on the budget, per. So she got how many? 6.
Yeah.
She wanted to get 3. I was like, you're an adult. When people come
I
to
don't
your house,
understand the
what
old
would they-
adults that
what would they
I
use
don't
to
have
do it?
visitors. I'm
So
not
this
having
is the
visitors.
remaining part of the wine glasses and the
I just have 3 because Boko bought the rest because I'm not spending $19 on wine glasses. Thank you very much.
Anyway, yeah, but this is the kitchen stuff of the IKEA stuff I'm showing you guys. Next I'm gonna be showing you guys the house room
Room and bathroom stuff.
bathroom stuff, and that will be the end of the vlog. But I hope you guys enjoyed it, learn from things. If you want to buy things,
We'll link everything in the bio. We're trying to be budgety and
financially responsible.
thank you very much.
Sure. Anyway, I'll show you guys the next thing. So you guys, I'm gonna show you the IKEA stuff, but I forgot that I have dollarama stuff. Dollarama is like a Dollar Tree in the States. Dollar store gets stuff for affordable prices, and they have some nice home stuff there. So if you want to be on the budget, you can shop from there as well. So what I'm gonna show you is this nice compost bin for like your compost. In this house, it's gonna be green. It's sustainable for the climate. Ikea does not really care, but I have to implement this for her because it's very interesting. Show them how it's really cute, and it brings me about to like I started to scream. It's just giving. I'm so happy. Yeah, and then we have this nice bin from Ikea. Actually, sorry to show you, it was from Ikea. It's really cute, and it has like a nice cover. But I'm gonna put a picture so you guys can see how it looks to me. Actually, yeah. But so the dollarama stuff that I'm gonna talk about. This nice jars. Really affordable. Like how much were they? Like $4. Yeah, $4 for each one. So for like your rice, your beans, your elubo amala.
You know, that's what we're eating.
And then maybe like for what you could see.
I don't know yet.
Yeah, this one as well. And then so it's $4, right? And then this was like 3.
I actually don't remember the
Don't
price.
remember. I mean, you should go dollarama. If you're in Canada, go dollarama. You see the price. Also got come and take glass plates. She's butchering in different areas. Okay, she's kind of weird. I thought I
Oh, wait, I just want
these two right now because Walmart is far from where we live. Okay, so for to put our food, few she's so properly. So she bought these two for like $3. Yeah, this covers here. Yeah, the Rama stuff, and then. You guys already know I love journaling. I'm trying to put Rimike into it. So I bought this nice cute journal. It's really cute. It was $2.50. It's marble, nice white. I bought 2 of these. Remember me. Rimike has a lot of skincare shit that should be putting in different places unorganized. So I make sure we got this cute, still in our aesthetic, still in our color, cream beige thing, where she could put all our skincare stuff in. Cute. How much was this? $3. So all the dollarama can all complete. So now everything's IKEA. IKEA, we got a nice beige bed sheet. It's called It's a twin. She had a twin size bed, which I really don't like. For
The only me that is sleeping on my bed. Thank you very much.
anyway, the Davala twin size cream was for $29, right? Or 32.
No, is that the white one?
This was the cream one.
That one is 24.
$24 for this bed sheet. Is how many hundred? So it's 150. Two thread count, which is not the best, to be honest.
There's actually like we can put it on one place. EQ Homes actually has like 300 thread count, 20 something,
$20.
but it's not in Toronto. It's not in Ontario. It's only sorry.
Online.
It's in Ontario, but it's not in Toronto. It's in Ottawa.
So we got white food can exchange.
Thanks.
So, yeah. So we got white ones as well. Yeah. So you can definitely get this one. So it's for $29, right? The IKEA one. It's called Uvoli. I can't pronounce. They're all like European names, and I'm not European. Anyways, IKEA. So we got white and
That one is 3 something thread.
this one is 200 count thread.
Okay.
So ideally you should have like 400 if you want to be sleeping in luxury. But we'll get there, okay?
But even this 20 something dollar, but we move.
Anyway, so this is Rimike's bath mat. It's from IKEA. I don't know how much we got this for, but it's still also in our color scheme. You guys know she wanted beige, cream, white, and black. So this is one. It's just simple. Put it on your bath floor of your bath. You know, in the shoe. What else do we have here? We have this curtain. I'll put the way they meant to look on the screen, but it's for Rimike's blind. If you show them there. It's obviously transparent. They're going to see a bumble outside. So she needs to put blinds in her room. This is from there. The art is really nice and minimalist.
The pattern is nice.
Yeah, the pattern is
it's pretty cheap. Probably like $14.
Yeah.
Like that.
Yeah.
Or 19. Is it not 19 or 14?
Yeah, let's put this here. The next thing I'm going to be showing you guys is this. It's called Analusa.
Oh, this one is 19.
This one is 19. It's for because Rimike has the room with the sliding door and there's no privacy if she wants to close that one. This one is like nice sheer curtains, right? So
no, not sheer, it's light filtering.
Light filtering, light filtering curtains so that you can still see light can still come in, right? Yeah. So it was how much was this?
19. That one's 19.
So show them. Don't worry, everything will be in the description box below. I promise. You can also make sure it's in the description box below for you guys. Because me. Anyways, the next thing I have, throw for her bed. So she will have 2 big pillows and 1 throw. So it's still the nice cream and white aesthetic. So I'll show you how it's meant to look on the screen. She also bought like another inner, like the pillow thing where
inserts
for it. My favorite part of this, we also got like white and cream. What is it called? Hand towel for the bathroom. So when you come in Rimike's house, we have a nice we have our hand wash, our cream, and you clean your hands. Coverage is still outside. Okay? Last but not the least, we have also Rimike's shower curtain, which I actually got for her.
Thank God. She said she wanted to give me housewarming gifts. So
yes, I was when I got the shower curtain, the bath and the
rod
and the bath mat, right? So
yeah.
So everything else it also has like the nice cream. I'll show you a screen, but this is not showing. It's not showing the view, like the beauty of it. But like I'll show you on the screen. I'll put it somewhere. My favorite thing that I really chaos. Okay, thing that I really like is this. We get very minimalist. She's very much a budget queen. Everything needs to be precise, smart, and cute. Very, 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 I love her. The last thing I'm going to be showing you guys is this. I really like this. This is one thing I like that we bought together. Like
I shall put it in my cart and you see. I also have eyes for good things. Thanks. Thanks very much.
Anyways, I bet to be far, but anyways. Okay, yeah, trying. We'll try. It's how will we show them this thing? So wait, hold on, yeah. This is cute.
You're very cute, yeah.
I mean, I'm not the best on boxer, so it's a really nice lamp. Wait, hold on.
You have to bring it out.
Okay. Nice to you. Beautiful lamp. Look at it. So cute for a nice bedside table. it's gonna like light up in the night, obviously, illuminate in the night. It's really cute. But for like $11,
Yeah,
right?
we're $11, $12. $11.99. $11.99, $12.
And he has the nice, obviously he has the, I don't want to show you guys, but he has the nice, like, what's that thing called? The knob and like the wire for it to plug it in. It's inside.
Oh, okay, there's no bulb there. Oh, okay.
There's no bulb there. We bought the bulb separate. So you guys, this is the end of the whole Rimike's mini house store, kitchen appliance, utensils, homeware stuff haul that we just showed you guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Even if it was an impromptu vlog, I think it was a nice one. I gave you guys insights on things you want to buy if you're on the budget. And we're also Generation Z, so we need to up our game. So these are things that you can obviously buy for affordable prices. For allowing me to use your house as an example on YouTube. I really appreciate you, friend.
You're welcome.
Anyway, you
can come visit me. Jokes.
Subscribe to my channel. Like this video. Please share this video because you guys, YouTube is hard, okay? Like it and share it because I want to get monetized. Love you guys, but that's not what we leave. Don't stop. Don't stop. Okay, bye, lovely. See you on the next vlog.